It's raining. We were just down at the pool and made a run for it. Hopefully, you can hear this, I bet. Whoa, I'm going to lose the door. It smells so good, like when you haven't smelled wet, warm rain in so long. Smells good. Look at that. It's totally pouring. Now it's blowing. It almost sounds like there's hail, but I don't think you get hail down here. It's just raining so hard. Wow. Ooh, you can hear the thunder? Ooh! Okay, now I'm getting your carpeting wet. Oh, phew. We're back. Okay, I'm sure it'll be sunny again in a few minutes, but I thought you'd like to see this. See ya!